Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality backlink. So the website name is projectblueberry.com. So this is the site and this is a backlink what I have already created to understand what kind of feature this website having. So this site is closely looks like a Wikipedia. So if you can contribute on this website, so you closely understand to how you can then you can also prepare yourself to contribute on Wikipedia, because Wikipedia have a very complicated profile, so where you can um, contribute for the content. So this is a website, and before the started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 25, and according to Moj, so they don't have enough data. And if I can show you, so also the similar web haven't idea. Okay, let me open the index page where I can see. Okay, so similar web haven't any data for this website. So okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the create account button, and there you can add your username. You guys will choose your password, and there you can add your website email address. Then you can add your real name. Then you can click on the create your account, and you will see your account is created. So your account has been created. Change your project preference if you wish to. You can return to the main page. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. So first thing, we can create a profile the business backlink. So you can click on the your username, and you are now there. So click on discussion, and there you can add your company description. So this is a DML training, so there you can add. So let should be use this, and you can paste it here. Click on the add topic, and let's see. So there you can add your company name. So company name is DML training. Create source, let me check. So let me open the setting, contribute, and the preferences. Click on this. Okay, so then you can click on the your username, and there is an option to you can click the create, and the user is created user talk DML training. So there you can add your company description. So let me see, this is the company description, and if I can use this, is there any option to we can add hyperlink? So haven't, and you can click on the save a page button. So you have created your company page here. So now I can show you how you can create a multiple backlinks. So first we can go to create a perfect company page. So this is a profile description, so that's why we can ignore these things. So you can click on the top button, and there you can click add a topic, and there you can add your company name. So company name is DML training, and there you can add your description. So let me use this. Watch this space, show preview, show changes, DML training. If I can add backlink here, tools. Also open this in a new tab. TML training, high transaction, hide links. Okay, edit sources, and there you can, if you wanting, so you can add any another thing as well. So suppose the man behind TML training, let me use this. And if I can so edit sources, then after that you can click on the save changes, and you will see you have created your DML training backlink, and this is your backlink. And there is many another activities, so like you can upload a logo. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is instant approved backlink. This is your company, and this is your page. And if I can show you, there is a logo option, so you can click on the logo, and definitely there is any option to we can upload a logo. So might be tag filter. And if you wanting to insert hyperlink, so I guess we can use HTML. So hyperlink in HTML. Let me open this, and we can use this syntax href. Uh, then a URL. Let me add here the URL. Close this, and we can also close this tag. Then this is the keyword, and the yeah. So I guess we made changes. Then after that we can make it save. Okay, so this code is not working. So I guess how we can hyperlink here, because if I can talk about this page, there I have added a hyperlink. If I can show you the edit section, if you can see, I don't know why these things are not working in this page. You can see if I can click on the new topic, and you will see there is a very minimal option are available. So I don't know how I can make these changes. Yeah, okay, the option is on. Okay. So if I can add anything here, now I am able to change. So suppose let me click on the talk button, and let me publish a new page. So suppose this is the new page, and if I wanting to create a backlink for this, so forum submission a sites list. So let me paste it here, and there I can add my brand name, and you can add, click on the user page, then you are able to make changes here. So this is for the DML training. Okay, so if I can add my company description here, then I'm able to insert a hyperlink on this keyword. Okay, got it. Click on the external link. There you can add your website URL and click on done. Then after that, you can click on the save changes, click on the save change, and you will see your backlink are inserted. So this option is available for the only, I guess, user page might be. Let me open this page in here, and if I can click on the add topic, there let me create backlink for this page AI feature. click on this, and there I can add my brand name, and this is a short description. Okay, so there is haven't any option to you guys will utilize your website URL, but strategically we can place URL here, then it should be visible. So you can click on the save changes, and using these method, you guys will create a multiple social bookmarking backlink, or your article, news, or your profile, company profile backlink. So you can explore this website, and if you can got familiar of this website, then you are able to contribute on actual Wikipedia. So I guess according to me, this is a recommended website for you. So you can create backlink here, and you can explore all the feature of this website. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And overall, this is the process for the backlinking on this website. So okay, yeah. So and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.